Biography of Alamgir. The father of Pakistani pop, Alamgir Haq, born August 11, 1955, Rangpur, East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, is regarded as one of the founders of pop music in Pakistan. His energetic voice, guitar skills, and unique style earned him the title Elvis of the East. Early life. Alamgir was the son of politician Farmozul Haq. He grew up in Dhaka, studied at Mirzapur Cadet College and Shaheen School, and later moved to Karachi in 1971 after the separation of East Pakistan. Career beginnings. In Karachi, he struggled at first but started performing at a local cafe, Globe Hotel, for a small salary and free meals. Soon after he got noticed, he was introduced on Pakistani television PTV by famous composer Sohail Rana. Rise to fame. His first major hit came in 1972 with Albela Rahi, which became a youth anthem. Alamgir's music was heavily inspired by Western pop, especially Elvis Presley, and he combined it with Urdu lyrics to create a fresh new sound. Hits and achievement. Popular songs Albela Rahi, Dekha Na Tha Kabhi, Mujhe Dil Se Na Bhulana, देखा तेरा क्या रंग कर दिया है. Worked in films like Aina 1977 and Bobby and Julie 1978. Awarded Pride of Performance 2013 and multiple Lifetime Achievement Awards for his contribution to music. Later life. Alamgir battled polycystic kidney disease for years but continued performing. In 2020, he successfully underwent a kidney transplant despite health struggles. He remained active in music and served as a mentor for young artists, even appearing as a judge on Music Icons 2013 legacy. Alamgir is celebrated as the pioneer of Pakistani pop music, who brought modern sounds to South Asia and inspired future stars. His songs remain timeless and his influence can still be felt in Pakistani music today. MD Udan News TV, Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koi Jat Kadahi and Elevex Beauty Soap. And marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.